like it might be. And right? Oh, is it? Are you kidding me?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Stay focused. Don't lose focus now. I know we're seeing some number runs right now. Don't lose focus, guys, yeah? Sim is focused. Final bets. Little 1-2 action at the moment, for sure. Bring the vibe up. We will get the rolls. Exactly. I gotta bring the vibe up. I'm sweating bullets right now, buddy. With that 2-5 situation that we're gonna resolve. But yeah, sweating bullets. We need to breathe like a samurai, but let's wait what this spin is. Oh, there it is. That's gonna bring some vibes back, right? Ladies and gentlemen, 4-roll is in business. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go.
Great. 4-roll. Time to win some money.
Come on, people. Good luck to you all in this format.
Welcome. Let's do some building. It's time to roll. Great. Doubles. It's time to roll. Big number. Great. Doubles. It's time to roll. Big number. Great. It's time to roll. Great. It's time to roll. Onward.
This is the amount of money issued 157,350 for euros.
Gazoo.
Hey, 148x for 1,388 of you. That's a good vibe. Congratulations. 148x. Woo! Thank you very much. Enjoy your wins. Beautiful Mayfair. We gotta love to see it. Gotta love them doubles and high rolls. Welcome to Monopoly Live. Welcome back. That's all right. That's something. Thank you, everybody. 148, Chrissy. That's the full.
Nasty to me. I can't explain it. I really dislike it. 600 winners in total. Bingo, bongo, top winner. Good stuff. Betting time's open. That means you hate Spider-Man? Yeah, I do. I'm not a big superhero guy. Good luck, everybody. Record of Ragnarok. Ken sure is like Baki but different art style. Okay, good to know. I love Deadpool. Deadpool's, I don't know. I haven't. Come on, 4-roll, please. I beg you. Yes. Okay, guys, we did it. The anime talk worked. We got a 4-roll. I wish you good luck. Maybe I see you later. Maybe I don't.
Great. 4 rolls. Time to win some money.
Time to win some money. See you later, guys.
Welcome. Let's do some building. It's time to roll. Onwards. It's time to roll. Big number. Great. It's time to roll. Great.
This is the amount of money issued 237,297 euros.
Hey, you got 212 extra 4 rolls, 1,383 winners. Congrats. Thank you, Mr. Monopoly. And guess who's back? Back again. Shading back. My name's Aline and I'm gonna be here with you for this session. Quinn, my best friend. Are you still here, man? Let's go. Guess who's back? again.
Like it might be. And it actually is a chance segment, ladies and gentlemen, either cash prize or multiplier for the next spin. But Mr. Monopoly, we need your assistance in that one. So, what is it?
It's a 10 times multiplier.
Exactly. 10x, ladies and gentlemen, for the next spin. So let's just try to find out which one exactly gonna be multiplied by 10. Can it be a bonus round? Let's see what happens. 10x goes on one more chance segment. Looks like it might be double chance. Right? Oh! Is it? Yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, one more chance segment. And the same thing is happening again. Either it's one more multiplier or cash prize, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow! It's another multiplier.
Oh my, we got 80x just now. 80x for the next bit. No matter what it is, it's already gonna be just... Oh! Ooh, I am shaking. 80x. I think I never had such a multiplier. 80x. 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 Goes on. Is that a chance segment again? Are you kidding me? Say what now? Free chance at 80x. Alright? Cash price or multiplier?
Wow! It's another multiplier.
No! 160x. What in the world is going on? I'm about to pass out right here. 160x. 160x, ladies and gentlemen. I never had such a multiplier from the chance segment. And I'm afraid to even take a look at a wheel. What is it? Where is it going?
This is the amount of money issued 974,613 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.